I want to talk about interior doors just for a second. I mean, early on in building tiny houses, all of our doors, they swung. They were on hinges and they swing back and forth. But I soon realized that a swinging door takes a lot of space up, whether it's swinging in front of this cabinet, or in this case, in front of the toilet, or if you swing it the other way at the tub, or even the refrigerator that's behind me. So we started using pocket doors. And you know what? These are fantastic because they don't use any room. They slide right into the wall. Look at that. Easy open, easy close. They do lock. They're just a great use of space. And not only, this is a white, they call it a raised panel door. There's a lot of different finishes that can be done here, whether it's a barn door look, whether it's painted different than white, it's a wood stain, dark, light. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this door to add a real individual feel to it, make it your own, as I say all the time. But once again, my main point here is the fact that this door is not taking up a lot of space. It just slides back and forth. So it's just a really nice feature that we use in all of our tiny houses now.